All right. This is number 12. We're using the definition of a derivative and the limit process to find a derivative. So the definition of a derivative. If you recall, the definition of a derivative looks like this. All right, we have limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And what's happening here, remember this is basically the slope, and we're going to let the difference between 2 points, right? These are 2 separate points. The x value is separated by an h, and these are the y values on top. So this is the slope formula. And what we're doing is letting one point, the f of x plus h point, approach the f of x point. All right. Okay. Well, if you don't remember that, this is the definition of the derivative. That's what you gotta know. All right. So what do? We fill in for this one. So that's going to be x plus h squared plus x plus h. So I've substituted x plus h into my function up here, right? For every instance of x, I've replaced it with x plus h minus, now the function itself, all over h. I know that doesn't look like an h, but you need to get used to the handwriting if you haven't seen this before. Alright, so what do we got? If we plug in 0 for h, this becomes x squared plus x. X squared plus x minus x squared plus the quantity x squared plus x is 0. So we got 0 over 0. That's an indeterminate form. So we're going to do some algebra to make it a normal form. Make it a form where we can plug it in and get a number. Alright, so I'm going to expand that. Distribute the minus. Alright, so x squared is going to cancel here. X is going to cancel. And what do we got? So we got 2xh plus h squared plus h, and that's it. Alright, be careful with the next step. I've seen a lot of people cancel this h and leave nothing behind. What happens is you're actually reducing these, okay? To do it properly, I'm going to factor out h from the numerator. That gives me 2x. Right? I'm taking the h out of the 2x. I'm sorry, I'm getting h out of 2xh. I'm taking h out of h squared and h out of h. When I take h out of h, I'm actually dividing, so it's h divided by h, leaving me 1. Now the h is reduced. There was a teacher who had issue with saying the word cancel. Alright. Now we got 2x plus h plus 1. Now I'm at this stage where I can plug in h equals 0, and I don't get an indeterminate form. I get 2x plus 1. And that's a derivative of x squared plus x using the derivative process.